Hi, this is Gary Sandlund coming from the CME Group to talk a little bit about what's taking place over in the agricultural space. And like we said the last time around, it is continuing to be the same. It's this tale of two different stories. And we've got an old crop bean situation that continues to not resolve itself with extreme tightness, with cash market levels trading at historically high levels, while the new crop is torn with the potential of getting additional acres off of corn, additional acres out of the areas of growth in the peripheral ranges. And the weather is starting to finally shape up and feel like a little more like spring going forward. So what do we do from here? It's a tough battle. The old crop situation, everyone thought would be resolved by now because of the South American massive crops that they grew during their summer period. And those have still not been able to get out to the market. The logistical situation is still a mess, and it doesn't show any signs of improving anytime soon with lineups of vessels that are quite at length, to say the least. The meal situation is also is the same as the beans. So the old crop scenario, we've already sold more meal this year than what we have penciled in, with 20 weeks left to go in the marketing year. So we have some real short-term situations taking place in the old crop bean story. The corn side of things is a little bit different. Weather is finally, like I said, is finally improving. We should start planting here aggressively early next week and go forward through the month of May, and probably plant somewhere in the vicinity of 95 million acres on the low end. 97 million is sort of the target level, which probably will be tough to reach. But with the weather that we're experiencing now, with all this moisture, we should get this crop in a very good start once the temperatures start warming up into May. Wheat is still torn. It's one of those things that we've had a bad wheat crop here in the winter wheat areas, but lo and behold, the rest of the world has ample supplies, and it's still the same story that we've talked about for the past few weeks. That the world is carrying quite a bit of usage for wheat right now, and you can get it pretty much any corner in the world. So going forward, obviously, as we move into May and into the summer months in the U.S., the weather will determine the new crop scenario. Continue to watch the bean basis for the old crop scenario, because that will really dictate a lot of things going forward in the next few weeks, and create some extreme volatility potentially in the soybeans and the soybean meal markets.